let's look at some basics of working with the sheets today in Google Sheets. So here at the bottom, you have your list of sheets. Obviously, you have all the different sheets that you've created over time. And so just some really quick tips on working with sheets. Obviously, you can add new ones. Plus sign adds a new one. You can rename it by double clicking and naming it. You can click on that arrow to do all these things. Delete it, duplicate it, copy it to another file, rename it, change the color of the tab, which is a fun little thing. It helps to actually, this is a good tip, it helps to identify different sheets. So obviously this file is getting pretty long. There's some blue at the end. There's some purple, because you may want to, there's some pink. You may want to set things aside so it's really quick to get to something. So if I'm looking for the macro examples, for example, in the sheet, I know it's pink, I can just shoot over there. So that's a fun little tip. You can protect a sheet so certain people can or can't edit it, and you can hide a sheet. You can also move it right or left by clicking this, or you can just click on it and drag it right or left. And if you hide it, it then disappears. You can still see it right here is in your sheets list. You'll see it right there. You see it's a little bit grayed out. You also see the color. See it's a little grayed out, so you can click on it to bring it back. So those are the basics, not too much complicated about this, but just so you know, there are some things you can do with sheets. The color thing is actually probably one of the most valuable things because it does, as your files get big again, it's nice to really scroll fast and find your purple, blue, whatever sheet. So keep that in mind.